where we are going to take.
Okay.
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 Yeah. So this is the most important part. Very, 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 very important. Very important, because it is how
Okay.
we're actually going to see the steps that we have to take until we find the best entries, and also how we can actually trade in the area which is more safe, so that we may not be taken
Okay.
out, so that we may have nice entries, and also so that we may place our stop loss at the better positions, and so that we may put
Okay.
our take profit at the best position. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm just going to do a recap here. I'm going to back test with you, because now we have to achieve the skills first.
Okay.
Yeah, so that when we later try to analyze live chats.
Okay.
So I'm going to start from there. Okay.
Okay.
And this is GBP USD. The first thing we have to consider when we are trying to analyze, we have to know where are we, at what time frame are we going to take our entry? Like for you, what type
Okay.
of you like to take at what time frame do you like to take your entries?
For me,
Yes.
I like to take an entry on 5 minutes and 15 minutes.
Okay. So what I'm going to do, yes.
Okay. Why I'm saying 5 minutes, 15 minutes means because I'm not going to sit in front of the computer for all the day, like all the times. I'll just spend 1 or 2 hours because I'm working on the other side also.
Uh,
So when I get my free time, so I will take entry.
okay.
So that is why. So 5 minutes and 10 minutes will be faster. Maybe in 1 or 2 hours, if I find the entry, I will just get some profit, and I'll just go and do continue the
Mm.
normal work till I get financial freedom in this.
Yeah. That's good, because the way you are going, the way you trade will have to depends on how much time do you have how much time are you free. So if you are trading like that, that's okay. So
Okay.
first of all, before we go to I want to show you how we can actually analyze from higher time frame to lower
Okay.
time frame, and then we will go to this one. I will take my entry on 4 hour or 1 hour. But another
Okay.
example, I will show you how we can actually start from higher time frame to 5 minutes or 10 minutes where you take entries. Okay.
Okay, bro. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So actually when you're analyzing from higher time frame to lower time frame, the first thing to consider is that you have to make sure you take like 3 steps from behind, like 3 time frames from behind before you take your entry. Okay.
Okay.
Like if you're going to take your entry in 4 hour, okay,
Okay.
you have to go back 3 time frames back. Like from 4 hour, you go to 1 day and 1 week. So you start from 1 week, you come to 1 day, and then you finish with 4 hour where you're going to take your entry. Okay. You understand that? Hello? Oh, hello. I can't hear you.
Bro, can you hear me?
Yeah, now I hear you.
Okay.
Yeah. So I was explaining to you about how do we actually trade the higher time frame, and how do we actually trade from what we call top-down analysis, from higher time frame to medium time frame to lowest time frame. Okay.
Okay.
So we have 3 parts. We start from higher time frame to medium time frame and then to lower time frame where we're going to take our entry. So if for example you are taking your entries in 10 minutes, okay? What you are
Okay.
actually what you are actually supposed to do with it, you have to you have to go back like 2 time frames back, okay? Like from 10, maybe you have 15 minutes, then 30 minutes, okay?
Okay. Okay.
We're going to start from 30 minutes, then 15 minutes, then so 30 minutes is going to be your higher time frame. 15 minutes is going to be
Okay.
your medium time frame, and 10 minutes is going to be your lowest lower time frame. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. And so like for example, here we are going to take our entry in 4 hours. So I'm starting to trade from 1 week. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So what we do, when we are in a higher time frame, like here, we are going to check the structure first. We have to look at the structure, like here. What kind of arc of structure do we see? If we look here, if we look closely here, we see like the market for several weeks was here behind, was moving to the upside, and then we actually saw a change of character here. Okay. And then from here we can actually see like sellers entered the market. Okay.
But bro,
Yeah.
one second. But change of character, only the wick is reacted, no? It's not a candle close now.
The week. I'm talking the block of structure. I'm talking about this one. You see this level here. This is the character which you this week, not this week.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one. The body close.
Yeah, this one, the bodies, these bodies.
Okay.
We don't consider this. We consider like we actually consider the bodies here.
Okay.
Okay. The body is here. So this is not the part of the body. So they're not the body, so we're not considering it. We are going to consider these ones. Okay. And so in higher time frame, when we are trying to when we are in higher time frame, like 1 week, okay. Do you hear me? What's going on?
The audio.
I hear you now.
Stuff, bro. I don't.
Yeah, I think it is network. I don't know if it's internet connection. So in higher time frame, we always wait for a retracement. You remember I was explaining to you about retracement, the price cycle.
Yes.
So what we are going to do in higher time frame, you have to remember this. We are not actually going to see every kind of those rules that we follow for an order block to be valid.
Okay.
You're not going to follow every rule. What we are going to do is like this. We are just going to look at a break of structure and a retracement. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to just see, you just have to look for a break of structure and a retracement.
Okay.
Like somewhere here.
Okay.
Like here we had a change of character, is it? Yeah, we had a change of character. So we have to do what are you going to do? You just locate our order block and wait for retracement.
Okay.
You understand that?
Okay.
And we are doing that in high time frame. We are doing that because we cannot actually wait for what we call to see an imbalance, to see every kind of to see an imbalance in the market, to see maybe a strong move to the downside, because this is a higher time frame. You can wait even for several weeks. Like here we have 1 week time frame. One candle is making 1 week. Okay.
Okay.
So in higher time frame, we don't consider those rules. We are going to consider rules like we have to see a strong push to the downside. We have to see an imbalance. We have to see like we have to choose our order block clearly. When we are actually in the time frame, the time frame that we are going to take our entry. Okay.
Okay.
That's where we are going to consider every rule. Now in 1 week, we are just going to wait for a retracement only. And after we see a retracement, when we see a retracement, you know, after retracement is a reversal, is it?
Yeah.
So if you see a retracement in higher time frame, because we are not going to take our trade in the higher time frame, we are just going to go to lower time frame, the medium time frame. So immediately after you see a retracement, you go to medium time frame. Okay.
Okay.
So like here, if we just see a retracement here, we go to medium time frame like that. You see that? That's a retracement to our order block, is it?
Yeah.
So immediately after you see this, you don't need to see you sell it. When you see any retracement with any kind of candle, you just go to lower time frame. Okay. You understand that?
Sorry, your voice is blocked, bro.
You did not hear me well.
No, I didn't hear you. The last part which you said.
Okay. I said, if we see a retracement with any kind of candle, we are going to go to medium time frame. Okay.
Okay.
Don't have to wait for an indication that the market is changing direction. Just a retracement, then go to a lower time frame. Okay.
Okay.
Like here, bullish candle. Just go to lower time frame, which to medium time frame, which is daily time frame. Okay.
Okay.
Like that. And if you check this, you see, is it? Hello?
Yeah, 1 week to 1 day, bro.
Here we are in 1 day time frame. And in one day time frame here, actually, what you see here, you see that order block. You see, we have several order blocks. Is it?
Yes.
Yeah. We have this one. And We have another one. So you see several, but see like one,
Yes.
two. We are not going to use this one because this one is not the last. Okay.
Okay.
We had this one here. So
Okay.
actually we are this, but if you check between these two here, you see even this one, the top one has touched the order block. Even this one has touched the order block. So the best one is the top.
Okay.
And if you are confused, you actually try to use Fibonacci retracement.
Okay.
So you can see that they are in the same areas. Every side our area. But remember premium and discount.
This is discount.
You remember premium and discount, is it?
Yeah, discount, bro.
Yeah. So here
The
you
first order block is on discount price.
in premium price, is it?
Yeah.
And what you see, premium price starts from here, 0.5 here. But you see it, this order block here is very close to the discount zone. So this is not the best one. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So the best one was this one, which is a little bit far from the discount zone. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So after that, we delete this order block. Don't consider this. And this one, the 1 week order block, we are going to leave. So we're going to delete it. So again, here in medium time, we wait for a retracement.
Okay.
You see a retracement right here.
Now.
So actually, after we refined, this is called to refine our order block. After we refine our order block in 1 day time frame, you see we have retracement here. So this is actually a retracement. So after retracement, we are going to go to the lower time frame, which is our time frame that we are going to take our entry, the 4 hour. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So you go 4 hour. So we are going also to refine our order block. You understand when I say refine our order block, is it?
Okay.
Here you see this is the 1 day order block, and actually you can try to refine your order block here. And the order block which you can find is this one. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So we go back here, we wait for a touch. Okay.
Okay.
Wait for the market to touch here and then to show us an indication that we are selling. But it is not must for us to see a retracement. Sometimes it may not happen. It's not continue analyzing from here. Selling. What do we see here? What do we see here? Like somewhere here, like a trend line, which do you see them? The retracement, the trend lines.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. So these are our areas, you know. These are liquidity areas. So we actually expect to see the market taking this level here.
Okay.
We can actually expect that the market will actually move here and then continue selling. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are going to wait for this order block to be respected. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, order block will be touched here. No retracement. We cannot. There is no retracement. Is it? Still, there's no retracement. Okay.
Yeah.
But actually, this level here is like some highs which are a little bit trying to
liquidity.
Yeah, liquidity. Okay. So still we see like this area is very important. Order block. We have liquidity and we have liquidity here. So this area areas of take out. Okay. You understand?
Okay.
These are traps. Okay. Like the market makers creating traps. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have to wait. We are not going to trade somewhere like there. Because we know those are areas where there are traps. Wait to see how the market reacts. So let's wait if we see like the market taking that liquidity. There you see the retracement, right?
Yes.
So we are going to enter where we are going to the medium of this candle. Okay.
Okay.
Because when you see like already you see like sellers entering the market until this area here, that's where we are going to enter now. Yeah.
Okay.
Your stop loss has to be a little bit out of this order block. Okay.
Okay.
And your TP, you have to look at these lower points that the market reached in some lower areas.
Okay.
Rows. That one, the first one, the second one, You have this one, and you have the first one. You see those lower areas, okay?
Okay.
So here, actually, if you take this level here, if you use this level, the lower level, this one is not going to be nice area, okay?
Okay.
Because it is very close, we are not going to have a nice risk to reward ratio here, okay?
Okay.
It's going to be 1.27 risk to reward ratio. Now you have to make starting from here, this is a good area where you can actually put your TP, okay?
Okay.
Because actually here is where the strong movement which came to this order block started somewhere here, is it?
Okay. Yeah.
This is the nice area where you can actually put your TP. But also someone may put here. That depends with your experience and your back testing, how you have back tested your pair, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, and even someone may put it here. For example, myself, I can put it there, okay?
Okay.
But I'm just trying to elaborate to you, but you don't need to put it here. If you're still beginning, just put it here, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, because that's the best price. So let us see how it goes. There you see, our first TP is hit. So if myself, I put my TP here, maybe let's see what happens. Yeah, you see that, right?
Yeah.
So that's how we can actually analyze from one
Okay.
week,
Okay.
one day, 4 hour. Yes.
Okay. Bro, just go to the 4 hours. Now I want to ask something.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we are, you said from this candle, the previous candle, when it is crossed 50%, we
The
can
previous
take the
candle,
entry, you said. This one.
the red one.
Yeah. The red candle, you said. Yeah, the red candle, you said when it crossed 50% of the previous candle, we can take our entry, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't need any confirmation this candle has to close below the previous low of this candle, or just we can take blindly once it tap our order block.
We started from 1 week, then 1 day, then 4 hour. All of those were things that were giving us confirmations. Okay.
Okay.
Because
Got it.
1 week we saw a retracement. That was an opportunity for us to sell. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
But we didn't take entry there. Then we went to 1 day. We waited for a retracement. Then after retracement, we didn't take a trade there. We came to 4 hour. Those are all of those things we do are confirmations. We are trying to
Okay.
get more
So
confirmation.
what I'm asking here.
Yes.
So those confirmations only needed. This candle confirmations we are not seeing in it.
Here, I just say after we saw retracement with this bullish candle, okay?
Okay.
We wait for a sign of sellers entering the market. And that's why I said we enter here, somewhere here.
Okay.
After this candle, after that moment up to here.
Okay.
That's the area to take a trade. You don't need any more kind of confirmations because it may actually lose an opportunity.
Okay.
If you're waiting for another confirmation,
Okay, got it.
you're going to miss.
Okay.
Because you have confirmations week to 1 day. Okay. And you see liquidity here. So you see the market took the liquidity. Now you actually have every reason to take the trade.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. And so this was 4 hours. So you are taking your entries in 10 minutes. Is it?
Yeah.
So I'm going to try to do that example because that's where you actually trade. 10 minutes. Yes, I have 5 and 15 here. My trading view has just 15 and 5. I don't have 10 minutes here. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So maybe let's say we take our entries in 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
So we are going to trade from 30 here. 30, 15, 5. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So let's go to 30 minutes. As I said in higher time frame, when we are when we start from higher time frame, what we are going to consider is the retracement. a break of structure and a retrace. Remember?
Okay.
So after you look behind here, this like was like an order block here. Okay. In a simple,
Okay.
understanding, considered in every kind of rules, because this is our higher time frame. But after that order block, what you see here, you saw like a change of character because the market went up, then down, then up, then broke this level, then we came there. Is it?
Yeah, bro.
So this was our change of character at level.
But here there is no change of character has been happened, bro. This candle you marked as a order block, right? You are taking which one as the change of character? This
I am. I didn't.
which one
Yes.
you are no. In this pattern, this
Yes.
method, which one you are taking as a change of character, bro?
As a
Which
change of
low you are,
character.
which low?
As a change of
Yeah,
character.
yeah. This hammer candle you are taking as a change of character.
I'm taking this one here. No, I'm taking from here. We had this, then big move. Then I'm taking this one, this red candle here.
Okay,
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 this level here. Okay.
okay,
In higher time frame,
okay,
we don't complicate. I just told you we don't complicate. When we are in higher time frame, we start to look at every rule. When we are in our lower time frame, we are going to take entry. Okay.
okay,
So here you have our order block here. Okay.
okay,
That's our order block in higher time frame, which is 30 minutes for us. Now you
okay,
go to 15 here. 15. Okay.
okay,
What you see, we still have a retracement. Okay.
okay,
So after that, you just go direct to 5 minutes. See that? And still we have what we still have the retracement still.
okay,
So here it's because it is 5 minutes, you can take entry here
okay,
because this one does not have very big a lot of pips. Stop loss a little bit there. TP you can put here, but also you can try to consider some low areas. Yes, let me try to go to 15 minutes to see if yeah. So there we are going to take there our TP there. Okay.
okay.
So let us see if it
Nice,
plays
bro.
up.
Nice one. I got it.
This is very slow movement.
Yeah.
This is not the types of entry that we are, those type of nice setups that we like. Like the market is going down very slowly. Let us see. Yeah. I went to 15 minutes so that we may see it faster. You see. You can actually see our TP hit. Is it?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, although it had there was no strong movement, our TP hit. You understand that? So I hope that one was simple to you. I don't know if you
Yes,
understood
bro.
it.
Yes, bro. Yes, 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 yes. 30 minutes, you shifted to 15 minutes, and we are taking entry in 5 minutes. That'll be awesome.
Yeah, it's like that, just like that. And the high time frame we don't very much consider. We don't very
And example, bro, if I want to take an entry in 30 minutes,
in
I
30
can
minutes.
go, yeah,
Yes,
30 minutes. I can take a 4 hour and I can shift to 1 hour and I can shift from 1 hour to 30 minutes, right?
yes, from 1 hour, 30 minutes. Okay,
30
three
minutes.
steps. You
And
take steps.
okay. And if I want to take entry in 1 minute, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute.
Yes. Yeah, and you just have to go like that. You don't have to go very far. Just 15 minutes. When you see a retracement, you go to 5 minutes. When you see a retracement, you go to 1 minute. You wait for a retracement, and then you take your entry.
Boom. Okay, bro.
Yeah, you just have to make sure you do it every day. You don't need to break the rule.
Okay.
Yeah, if you break the rule even one day, then it's going to be not good.
Okay. So what we are just I just repeat for myself, bro. Just correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes,
Just when we are going to look for the order block and the reversals, We are just going to 4 hours.
If we are, can you actually increase a little bit your voice, if possible?
Yes, bhai.
Oh, that's more, it's very low. Yes?
Yeah, okay.
Mm-hmm.
In 4 hours, we are just going to look for the reversals,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
and we are shifting for 1 hour.
Yes.
In 1 hour, we are just refining the order block.
Yes. Exactly.
If it is a several order blocks,
Yes.
we are refining with the currency retracement, which is in a premium price on the discount price,
Yes. 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 Exactly.
and we are shifting to 30 minutes
Yes.
to the refined order block.
Mm.
Once the market tap there, we are just going to the entry when it given a seller's like selling pressure candle when it tap the order block. So before it
Yes.
tap the order block, whatever the higher highs are creating or the equal highs are creating, those all
Mm.
liquidity.
Liquidity. As I told you about liquidity, those equal highs, the tops, the bottoms, you have to be careful with them. Okay.
Okay.
Mm. It's the only thing that makes people lose money most of the time is that they don't have a permanent procedure of analyzing. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we must have a permanent procedure. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so you make sure you do it every time, every time, every time. And as we keep on practicing like this, maybe practice today. If I repeat again another pair tomorrow, you are going to see like it's going to stick in your mind. And every time we analyze, I know you will get something new. Okay.
Okay.
Because not every pair will be the same. Some other pairs you will see like, what do I do when I see this? Because I'm used to seeing this. Now I don't see that. I see this one. So, for example, if you are waiting for a retracement, okay,
Okay.
sometimes you may miss a retracement. You are waiting for a retracement and the market does not retrace to your order block, okay?
Okay.
So you have to know how are you going to do that. So if you see some sort of something like that, some areas where you don't see like
Okay.
with that movement, you just have to continue with that movement. Let me
Okay.
let me let me, let me try here. Let me try this one. I think this one may be the valid one. For example, here, what we actually see is if you look at just this area here where you see break
Breakout
of
structure
structure here,
and the market right now reacting as the order block.
you locate your order block right there.
Yeah, order block,
And after that,
and the target will be the lower low.
this
We
one
have to
is it.
shift it for the, yeah, and we are shifting for the daily chart. Okay.
Find our order block, okay? But
Yes.
here you see this is very, very small order block. So we combine it with this one, okay?
Okay.
I explained to you about that, is it?
No, bro.
Yeah, when we are trying to locate an order block, you just have to look at the structure of the order block. If you don't see a nice body order block, like here, this is a very small kind of order block, okay?
Okay.
So you can use the previous one. If it is close, if you see like they are following each other, you just use the other one, but you combine with this one. You see like where I put the end from this and the beginning from this one, the previous order block, the previous candle, is
Okay.
it? So you are
Okay.
allowed to use that because from the found order blocks, the order block is allowed to be even 3 consecutive candles. Okay.
Okay.
Depending on the size of the candle. If you see like candles are very, very small size, you can combine 3 of them. If you see small again, can you combine 2, a small one and the big one? Okay.
Okay.
Like what we did here, it's allowed. Just look at how the
Okay.
structure is. So in one day, again, we have a retracement, is it?
Okay. Yes.
So you go to 4 hour where we're going to take our entry.
For
We are going to do what? What are you going to do here?
in 4 hour, we are going to redefine more.
You're going to refine our order block, is it?
Yeah, redefine the order block. No.
That one.
Yes.
That's our order block. And you can clearly see this is a retracement already, is it?
Yes, it's already retraced.
And where we
Now
are
we
now,
can directly.
we see this
Now we
bear.
can.
Yes,
Yes. Now we can directly enter here.
we can.
Enter the cell here.
Yeah, because also you see this indication, a bearish candle, is it? This one.
Yes.
Like indicating now we can actually sell our stop loss out of this, out of that. So our TP here
Yes.
in the nearby lower, is it?
Yes.
Yeah, and then we are going to let it run. Now let's see if TP hit, and then we are going to consider something there. Yeah. So TP is hit, but let's see here if we are taken out.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. No, you see, missed a little bit. You see,
Yeah, a little bit. Bro, this also above the our stop loss. How many pips
yes.
we have to keep extra? 1 or 2 pip, or there'll be a certain pip.
That one is the issue of pips. Also, I don't want to lie about maybe 5 pips or what. It depends with the time frame. Those pips
Okay.
depend with the time frame. Okay. What you are going to do, you're
Okay.
just going to try to, if you are going to take your entry in 5 minutes, you have to know that you are going to be risking how much pips, but not just how much pips. It depends how you see the structure. For example, if you see like this, you have your order block here, but your order block has a long wick, maybe
Okay.
like that. You see, like you see this, I extended this line, lead line, okay?
Okay.
Like if you have your order block, your green order block like that, but you have a wick like this, you're going to draw your order block up to that area, okay?
Okay.
And you can actually add from maybe 5 pips out or 3 pips, okay?
Okay.
This comes from an experience. I don't want to lie that you just put maybe 5 pips out of your order block. No, sometimes it depends on the structure. Like here, you see, you have your body here, but you have a wick. The wick is very long, a little bit. So you're going to do your order block up to here, and your stop loss has to be out of this wick a little bit, okay?
Okay.
For example, myself here, I just put my stop loss there. It was somewhere, I don't know if it was there, or I think it was missed a little bit. I just put it there because I just thought like, let me put it there. Let me put it there according to how I see my risk to reward ratio.
Okay.
So if I put it up to here, my TP is constant. You know, TP that we don't just get confused with TP. TP just look at the nearby lower level. Okay.
Okay.
The only challenge is where do we put our stop loss? Our stop loss, we first draw from our entry to where we are going to put our TP. Okay.
Okay.
And we are going to actually try to locate our stop loss depending on what we see here from our order block. You see our order block just up to there. You can try to look maybe behind, you don't see anything. So you see, this is your higher level where you have drawn your order book. Now, where are you going to put your TP now? You're just going to put your TP depending on how you actually think like, if I list like from the entry up to here, if I list like $10, is it affordable to me? Okay.
Okay.
So you just, the first thing to consider is how much money are you able to risk? The first thing to know where you're going to put your stop loss. Okay.
Okay.
You have to know how much money are you able to risk, because how much money are you able to lose, because you have to know how much you are able to lose in order to know that when you put your stop loss, it is not going to be against the amount of money that you are going to lose. Okay.
Okay.
So for example, here you want to risk like $5, but you see like when the light is the best place to put your stop loss. Okay.
Okay.
Going to make you lose like $10.
Okay.
Now you see like you are confused. Is it you want to lose $5, but the best price for you to put your stop loss is going to make you lose $10? Is it?
Yeah.
That's against your rule. When you think that this is against my rule, is it?
Yeah.
I'm supposed to lose $5. So you are not supposed to force to lose $5 when you know the right price to make you put your stop loss is going to cost you $10. You don't have to force like,
Okay.
I put my stop loss here so that I may lose $5. That is
Okay.
going to be bad. Okay.
Okay.
You have to know where is the right place for you to put your stop loss. If you know it is
Okay.
here, the first thing you have to know where is the right place. You know here. Now, if you know it is here now, how much money are you going to lose here? Now 52 pips. Now, when I'm using maybe lot size of 0.01, this is like $5.2. Is it?
Yeah.
You'll say, this is nice. It's okay for me. If I lose maybe 5.2, let me try to lose maybe like 5. Maybe let me try to put 50 pips like there. Okay.
Okay.
You know, this is safe for me. You know, I just want to lose $5 and it is a safe area. It is out.